Today I'm going to show you how to replace your airbag. So the vehicle we're going to be working on is 2011 Chevy Silverado. And let's go ahead and get to it. Now the first thing you're going to do first, you're going to unplug your negative battery. That's the first thing you're going to do first. You can go ahead and remove the fuse for the airbag. That's all, also good too. But the main thing you're gonna have to do first, before you do anything with your airbag, before you even considering touching the airbag, is to remove your negative battery terminal. Let's go ahead and get that done. So with the 2011 Chevy Silverado, this is my negative cable. Alright, so it's right there down here. That's where you're plugging it. So it's unplugged. So make sure you do that. And if you want to go ahead, remove the fuse for the airbag. This is where your fuel box located. You just pop that cover, and you should be able to locate exactly where your fuel box at. Where your fuel's at. And to execute the job, to get the job done, pretty much this is what you're gonna use. I'm not sure. I think this is a 2.5 as far as the size for the ironing tool. This is a tool that you're gonna use to remove the airbag. On the side of the steering column, you'll see this little opening. You're gonna insert that all the way in that, and you're gonna feel once you feel that little tension, you're gonna push on it, and it's gonna release one side, and you're gonna do the same thing for the other side, and then it's gonna release the other side. And as far as the other side, that's the little opening right here. So I'm gonna show you as I'm doing it. As I'm going to insert that little tools, and I want to feel see how this thing pop out. See a little gap? So that's one pop out. And let's get a good feeling on that one. Okay, so you see how it just pop out. So once you got both of them pop out, and you slowly, so you got the box basically out. So the way this is worked is this is, if you look it closely, I'm gonna insert this little pin. So you can see this little pin in there. So you see how I'm pushing. If you see this little spring right there. Now look right in here. you're gonna see this little thing move. So you gotta see, you see how it moves? So once you push that move, this is where it releases it from here. See that little groove? Once you push that little pin, it releases it from here. Then it release one side of the airbag, and then you do the same thing with the other side. So if you're removing the airbag itself, this is the wire where you can undo it from this wire right here. All right. If the airbag itself that you will replacing, you're not replacing anything as far as the steering wheel, but just the airbag. This is there's two wires right there. That's one connection. You just undo that and plug the new one. And when as far as snapping it, don't snap it. Just slowly put it back, and then it would just go ahead and snap in by itself, just like so. And after that, you wait for I would say a few minutes. And if you remove the fuse for the airbag, place it back, and then plug your battery terminal as far as the negative battery, and then you should be good. All right, thank you guys. And do not forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed. Appreciate it.